Hello, good morning to the colleague and committee who are watching the video of the percentage of the International Conference of Multidiscipline Study 2022. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amalia Nur Febrianingsih as a student of Starta 1 Unisbank, majoring in management. Here I will present the result of a study entitled Improving Employee Performance Through Transformational Leadership Style, Communication and Motivation Study at PT BPR Kedung Arto, Semarang. Immediately, I will explain 5 important points in the background of this research. The first is technological development. The second is human resource, which is then facilities and infrastructure in the company. Then, for the variable in this study are employee performance as a dependent variable Y. The next is an independent variable transformational leadership as X1, communication as X2, and the last is motivation as X3. For the formulation of the problem, the first, how transformational leadership style affect employee performance at PT BPR Kedung Arto, Semarang. The formulation of the second problem, how communication affect employee performance at PT BPR Kedung Arto, Semarang. And the formulation of the last problem, how motivation affect employee performance at PT BPR Kedung Arto, Semarang. Literature review in this study is the first, employee performance that has 6 indicators: working quantity, quality of work, knowledge of job description, creativity, cooperation, attendance, and punctuality. Furthermore, transformational leadership has 4 indicators: idealist influence, inspirational motivation, intellectual stimulation, individual consideration. Communication has several functions, namely gaining information, improving performance, brainstorming idea, overcoming problem, and has 1 indicator: communication don't work. The latter, motivation, has empathy important indicator. Psychology needs, safety need, esteem need, self-actualization. Research methods in the study use object on PT BPR Kedung Arto, Semarang, with a population of the 140 employees, and the sample used is accidental sampling, using the Solvin formula, where small n is the sample size, large N is the population size, and E is level of sampling error that is still tolerable or desired by E 5%. Using the Solvin formula obtained the results of the 104 employees who will be respondents in this study. For the data type, namely quantitative descriptive, data search use questionnaires, data collection using Likert scale as follow, where strongly disagree, score 1, disagree, score 2, neutral, score 3, agree, score 4, strongly agree, score 5. The instrument test in this study uses validation test where factor analysis value is more than 0.4, then the question is Dessler valid, and reliability test where Cronbach alpha value is more than 0.7, then the statement Dessler reliable. Data analysis method in this study using multiple linear regression with y as equal to alpha plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus beta 3 x3 plus e, with the caption y is employee performance, alpha is alpha constant, beta 1, 2, 3 is regression coefficient of each independent variable, x1 transformational leadership, x2 communication, x3 motivation, e error of the intervening variable. There are two feasibility test models in this study, namely the F-test or simultaneous, where the significance level is 0.05, alpha equals 5%. If a significant value is less than 0.05, then it is concluded that model is fit. The second is the coefficient determination. Values that are close to 1 are independent variables that provide almost all the information that will be needed to predict the variation of the variable. Hypothesis testing is to test how far the influence of the independent variable X, the dependent variable Y. T-test is used to test the significance of whether the variable transformational leadership, communication, and motivation effect on employee performance, variable at PT BPR Kedung Arto Semarang partially. And for the conclusion in the study is the first, transformational leadership has a positive and significant effect on employee performance. The better transformational leadership style is, the better the employee performance. The second conclusion, communication has a positive and significant effect on employee performance. The better the communication made by superiors to subordinates is, the better the employee performance is. And the latter conclusion, motivation has a positive and significant effect on employee performance. The higher the motivation is, the better the employee performance. The presentation of the International Conference of Multidiscipline Study has been complete. Thank you for your attention.